So in this video I'm going to show you the win big method for early payout offers. Sportsbet are paying out early if your team is 6 up at half time. I've got the markets up now for the NRL today, and I'm just looking at the back odds at Sport and the lay odds at Betfair. So essentially what you want to do is place a back bet at Sportsbet and then lay it off. This will give you a small loss, but then if your team has 6 up, is 6 up at half time, you'll be paid out early at Sportsbet. And then if your team ends up losing the game overall, then you'll also get paid back your lay stake. So you get a double payout. And this is how you do it. So let's say we're going to go for the Gold Coast Titans. And they're back at 2.82 and lay at 3.1. So we open up the early payout calculator. This is actually only a pro feature, but it's well worth it because some of these offers, as you'll see in a second, you can win $200-300, and that happens quite regularly. These are one of the most lucrative offers out there, so I definitely wouldn't want to pass on these offers. So the back odds were 2.82, the lay odds were 2.1, NRL is a commission of 6, and then I'm going to place a back stake of 100. So that's going to give me a qualifying loss of $12.80. So let's go ahead and place the bets. So $100 back bet on Gold Coast. Then place this lay stake that I've just calculated on the Gold Coast. Oh, the odds have changed down, so I'm just going to adjust the calculator to 3.05. Copy the lay stake, then place the lay bet on Gold Coast Titans. So now I'm watching the game and Gold Coast are 6 points up at half time, which means Sportsbet have paid out early. So we go to the lock-in section and click yes. So the early payout has hit. Now for the win big, you don't lock in any profit, so you're not guaranteed any profit. However, if Gold Coast now go on to lose the game, then we will profit $270 because you've been paid out early at Sportsbet, and then you're also going to get your lay stake back at Betfair because Gold Coast have actually lost. However, if Gold Coast do go on to win, then you're going to lose your initial qualifying loss. But I think it's definitely worth risking $11 to gain $270.